all. Today we'll see a seventh experiment in a DB lab experiment, DBMS lab experiment. This describes about the seventh experiment is based on triggers. The main aim of is to create and manage triggers in database. Here is the description. The trigger is to create before and after triggers. This all or the description about it. Let's move to the question. Our first question is to create before insert trigger for user tables ensures that the first we have to ensure the password which is mentioned is greater than 8 characters should be there, and here it shows an error because the inserted password does not have 8 characters, so it shows an error. Our next question is to trigger user that does not allow mail ID address to be null. If the mail ID and address is null, it will show on a null message. It's showing here. Third is to before deleting triggers for users, the table provides the deletion. Here shows in deletion for specific mail domains like example.com. This is the example for it. Fourth is write an after insertion trigger to count number of new triggers to count number of new tuples inserted using each. This is the command for it. Fifth question is to create after update trigger for the users tables that signals when an user email change. If user email is changed, it will trigger here. Sixth one is after deleting triggers for users tables that signals when the user is deleted. After deleting, the trigger will be updated, and it shows that there is an update in this. And seventh question to create before insert the trigger of an event table that ensures event data is in the future. If the event data should be only in the future, the date mentioned should be is not in the past, so it provides a trigger here. Eighth question is before update triggers for event more than it should be more. Here we have given 108, it should be greater than 108, or else it will show on trigger. Here after deleting create an after delete trigger that events the table signals even if it's deleting time to show a trigger here. 10th question is after deleting triggers for event table that shows a message event time is updated when an event's time is changed. While the time is changed, it will update here, so this trigger. Venue should not be empty. If venue is empty, it will show a trigger here. And 12th one is be 108, it should be before trigger before deleting it's less than 108. If it not else, it will show on trigger here. Create an after trigger for a menu table that displays message when when row is adding, it will show on trigger here. Our last question is to after update trigger for menu that table that signals when a row is updated. When a row is updated, it will show on trigger here. These all the 14 questions which have in our seventh experiment. Hereby we will conclude and see next video in next. Thank you.